Straight up. I gave him time.
Detroit.
Time. Now it's back to me, nigga. I took my click, turned it to faculty, nigga. Took my operation to factory, nigga. When I'm in the zone, they won't tackle me, nigga. I touched down in the city, a fucking walking target. Still, man, all my bitches miss me. Yeah, they miss me, but not misses. If you ask me what's my interest, all my interests involve interest. It ain't nothing to cut that bitch off, but you can't cut my percentage. With the bases loaded, all we need's a hit, boy. I'ma still swing for the fences. I guess you tend to overdo it when you come up underprivileged. Look, I came to my senses. I can never count on people. I can't even trust the senses. In this world full of venom, all I need's my spider senses. My short temper to cool out. Yeah, sometimes I need woosah. Time to get paid by the goo guys. My office on top of that rooftop. For my mama, Myra Anderson. Tell me who gon' be set for like Myra and her son. For sure, when time for the fam, they don't eat, I don't eat. I can't rest on my feet till they all on their feet. They say rest your eyes, I'm just like why? Bitch, I ain't never seen Ben Franklin sleep. But I do need that paper like sheet after sheet. I got so much drive, I'll look both ways in the streets. When I heard about these singers and all they naked pictures, I'm like, did my email just leak? Hold up. Let me check. Oh no, they fake. We good. The stock going up, making all the right moves. Boy, you would've thought that I got tipped off. You would've thought these niggas fell off a skateboard the way they take these hoes and trick off. I got a rich girl, I swear to God, dog, man, she's like a walking ATM. Except she ain't coming withdrawals. I know y'all been having good music withdrawals. I cannot deal with the fuckery, that fake shit you be in. All that bullshit that you rapping, honestly, just makes me cringe. Money doesn't grow on trees. Okay, someone explain to me then how the hell does my whole team just keep on raking it all in? Huh? We stressed on, we pressed on. Met with Hov and B, they told us we next on. We dreamed that been slept on, we kept on, we left home. Mama earlobes is VS Stone. Her earrings so big she can't even fucking hear none, nigga. Don't give a fuck, no, I can't spare one, nigga. I do not have 5 wheels, I can't spare one, nigga.